not
You
law.
know color.
Ogun kilo.
That's the way you talk now. Retrieve and back.
I say Ogun
Why
kilo.
did you now study law?
If my Pikin, you know, so all those people they talk, say, oh, our parents are not supposed to be picking our
Ah,
course.
get it.
Me, now where I don't grow, now I understand. My Pikin tell me say he want to do law, with I don't face. I know send him go school. 7,000.
Okay, 7,000.
Which how many cases they do in Nigeria?
Okay, so now because of say
Nowhere to practice.
I mean nowhere to practice.
You know when they come
say
in
you don't like am.
2016, that time they call us will be 4,000. Every year they 4,000,
they shoot.
5,000,
But nobody
now
law now.
7,000.
No only law. Other courses, other discipline.
Only law 7,000. How many cases they the whole of Nigeria?
So-
What do you mean why?
I'm asking now.
Out of like 300 people that we graduate with, at least 70% are in UK or Estonia or US because there's nothing to do here. I will never forget what I see, what my eyes see when I went to court.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Back with this lovely morning. I
Beautiful
stay inside
morning.
the studio. Be like say everywhere they yaga.
Today is TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's fun. Thank God it's freaky.
I like the way they go already.
Yeah.
You don't hear the voice of the Kingmaker himself, Wale Popo. And of course, my name is
Relocate now,
Ejiro. They call me the Anointed Mouth. Who got the queen of the Wetin Dey show.
Lioness.
Awalo.
Lo.
Yeah,
I don't give another name. Oh.
Let's not do that.
Okay, let's go on.
Let's not do that.
Let's go.
Dickness.
No, it better pass that one.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as they talk, they go. One of the liveliest man, the way he call himself and the way in character.
Take B.
liveliest man
BM.
in the world.
BM.
And they talk about no other than MC Lively himself.
You already
He dey inside the
know.
studio.
BM, sir.
Good morning to you, MC
You
Lively.
already know. Morning to you too. Morning to you
BM,
too.
sir.
Love the studio. Love the studio.
Na money cost.
I'm bringing my CV.
Okay.
Hello, you cannot call our work.
They get one club artist and what for them for Saba. I see the way they come up where they stand on top of the share the job. I believe before you left that club, they go fix all those shares back.
But before anywhere you go, they have to see that you're there.
So
Energy.
Yes.
Energy.
Because you don't know want to dash you money.
Now so that they see, but they see club for table. But let's go ahead, please.
All right. First things first. Let's start like this. No look out with bad eye. Now follow come the wahala. Now follow come. What be your real name? Go.
My real name Michael Sonny.
Are you which part of Nigeria are you from?
I'm from Edo State, but born and bred in Ile-Ife. Yeah.
Ile-Ife.
So I'm a
Don't shout, it's my Benin brother. Where are
Wait,
you
now
from?
let me tell you why I'm
Edo.
shouting because I went in Nigeria. There are two universities.
Oh.
Obafemi Awolowo University
and others.
others.
Oh, you don't bust my head.
They say king no go school, they shall see. They say your school don't follow.
So
king.
anybody wey live in Ife,
Yes.
you know say you don't see life. You know say you don't experience beauty of Nigeria. You know you are in culture. You know you are deep in your roots. And for that, my brother,
Do you want to sleep with me?
No, you are not so fine.
Now. We don't encourage such here.
Oh, yeah, may we go. So quickly, Obinna.
Wait even first. With where I see you, they rush to come out this morning. What did carry you come out this morning first?
Nah, I can't do show.
You can't do show.
I can't call late.
You can't call late.
Oh.
Sassy,
Why
they do I.
don't keep to time?
Sassy, they do I.
Why you don't keep to time?
All of us are living in Lagos together. All of us know how traffic is.
That is not an excuse.
You know, before we even go further inside the talk with you.
Voila.
For instance, Nigeria, many people don't they come up with the opinion say comedians then say they only do like say the country, the wahala of the country.
No, they touch
no
them.
consign them.
How they sweat.
See the way they behave. They will just they do the to continue to create content and be just their own. They don't even they consign the waiting people they go through for this side of the country.
Because hunger is great content.
I know be the seasoning, no.
So true.
Not be the season, you know.
So true.
Not the season.
So true. The challenge people they go where they go through, where they go for the country.
Everybody is going to it, my brother. Don't allow me to start complaining to you.
No, don't let's complain. It's Friday. So as you dey right now, wetin if you fit enter government, wetin be the first three things you go change?
If I fit enter government.
Why you call open eye now?
If you don't want us, I go fetch chop.
If I enter, if you enter government today, wetin be the first three things you go work on?
Wetin happen be say me I no dey like criticize government again. Na before I dey criticize government. Nowadays I know say all those things wey we dey talk, we no really know anything wey dey sup for inside government. So me I no dey criticize, I dey enjoy my life and I dey work my work. So I don't know wetin I go change for government to me dem dey do their work dey go.
You know say this is na trauma response.
This thing we talk.
He
So
said trauma
you know
response.
too belle for me.
Yes, now trauma response.
Like you don't know
Okay.
what they go on for
Wait
government,
now.
and you don't care to know what they go on for
Wait
government.
now. Wait now. So tomorrow in Lagos is going to be the local government elections.
Fantastic.
How does that affect you?
I'm gonna be honest. I thought about it yesterday, and I was thinking that 2023, everybody they complain, say, hey, this, election that. Now another election don't come. I didn't know until yesterday that there was an election in 2 days.
Jesus.
Yeah.
That's not cool.
So but that's the problem.
That's not cool. And these local government elections are even like that most
More important,
elections.
yes.
Yeah.
So if you don't take this kind of elections seriously, and we only want to change what's happening at the helm, there's no way things are actually going to change if we're not taking the
Your English is
grassroots
plenty.
elections.
Your
Yeah.
English is plenty. You don't speak pidgin.
No vex. So
So-
what happens is that I'm a lawyer, certified lawyer, caught to bar. So there's no
I mean,
place
which
I'm
of
using
the
the
bar? Because
English.
this
Which
your
of
bar,
the
don't be
bar?
like the way they call.
No, read
So
bar.
the way it is, are you
As
going
that
to
your barrister Mike is
are you
not
going
it,
to
it's not
are you,
important.
are you going to vote tomorrow?
I plead the fifth.
I
You
plead
played
the fifth.
amendment
The fifth amendment.
And,
Objection, my lord.
as a comedian.
Yes, sir.
As a comedian in Nigeria,
Yes, sir.
if you were not doing comedy, what else would you have been doing?
I really like bus conductor. There's a way that those guys shout.
Ọ̀gá ẹ lọ́ra ẹ má lọ gbé yẹn wá
Is
ìyàwó kó
everything
yẹn
okay?
jẹ
Is
lọ.
everything okay?
So tó bá fẹ́ máa lọ ta sí wa ó kó yẹn jẹ ọ
See your
lọ
senior
àwọn
colleague.
ilé
But
ẹlẹ́rìí
as
Your
you give me,
senior colleague.
as you
no.
give me that voice, I don't change
Oh,
my mind. I
no.
know they do conductor again. I think I'll be a teacher. I like teaching. Anything where you involve make I dey talk. I just like to dey talk for this my life. So I think
So
if
you
I
don't
don't be
like this
comedian,
work where we dey do? Shall come be teaching. Now talk we dey talk here now.
now this one I be want do. I want come study mass com, but you no get mass com.
I'm telling you, now come mass again.
Thank God I no do am.
And can you tell us 3 things you think people don't know about you?
3 things. They don't know that I know how to cook.
1,
They don't know that I am single.
2.
You didn't loud it. I didn't hear that.
Because I don't know whether they're single or not. Number 3, they don't know. Wetin dey again? Because everybody know everything.
Now waiting day you day.
Waiting day again.
Wetin dey again?
On top waiting day.
Talk waiting day.
So very quickly before we move on, your social media handle.
My social media, MC Lively, MC_Lively on Instagram, MC Lively on Twitter, MC Lively on TikTok, MC Lively on YouTube.
How did you get the name MC Lively?
It was when I was in 100 level. I went to OAU, like, you know, and we used to do this banter in Angola Hall.
Hey!
So,
We're not too far from Mos.
yes.
Opposite factory.
Poski, wetin dey happen? No be reunion be this now.
Just after Obuka.
Poski, this is not your reunion now.
No verse, no verse.
Old Buka no dey again, no. Old Buka no dey again. They don't cancel am. Na new Buka now.
Ejo, which school you go more banter?
Carry go.
So that time we dey always do banter. Anytime lights go like this, we just come outside for inside our hostel, begin dey shout, "Eja de eja burawa o, eja de eja burawa."
I know we abuse ourselves.
Ah God. So me dey lead the people wey dey for my block. So you can't get one guy, one Lagos boy, we come from Naija boy. So you just look me one day, say, this bro, you too like this stuff, you are too lively.
Damn.
So they started call me Mike Lively. That's how I get the name.
Igbaga. Just like that.
Wait, so
like-
you say before then, you say you do law, you are called to bar.
Yes.
Poski can ask you, say, if you are not a comedian, what would you have done?
Not
You
law.
know call law.
Ogun killer.
That's the way you talk now, retrieve and back.
I say Ogun
Why
killer.
why did you now study law?
If my Pikin, you know, so all those people they talk, say, oh, our parents are not supposed to be picking our
Ah,
course.
Kirika.
Me, now where I don't grow, now I understand. My Pikin tell me say he want do law, with Twitter I don't face. I know send I go school.
But why is it? We get so many successful.
They just called some
legal,
to bar, 5,000.
legal professionals.
7,000.
Okay, 7,000.
Which how many cases they do in Nigeria?
Okay, so now because of say
Nowhere to practice.
I mean, nowhere to
You
practice.
know when they
Then
come
say
in
you don't like
2016, that time they call us will be 4,000. Every year they
dey
4,000,
shoot, they dey
5,000,
But no bowling
now
law now.
7,000.
that. No only law, the other courses, other discipline.
Only law 9 be 7,000. How many cases they the whole of Nigeria?
So, do you believe that the judicial system in this country needs a overhauling? May they check out.
Complete overhaul.
Why?
What do you mean why?
I'm asking now.
Out of like 300 people that we graduate with, at least 70% are in UK or Estonia or US because there's nothing to do here.
What about corruption in the judiciary system?
There is a lot of corruption. I can't. I will never
Honorable
forget.
members,
I will never forget what I see, what my eyes see when I went to court.
Oh,
Now you see that you see like now you don't come back to the first question, the first conversation we first get.
What if we
I
first
stay
get?
consigned you not
The
not being
election.
interested in the election, you not being interested in governance.
But why did you
know
lose
the-
faith?
I know say I know they interested.
That's the way
though.
you sound with that.
I come out my
Uh-huh.
hand somehow.
Oh.
Shall make I no lie.
Why?
Did something happen? What did
Because the problem still they persist, and then you come out your hand. I want to solve it.
My brother, if water don't plenty pass Gary.
Well, just chop the garri, drink the water.
So what do you think say go fit dey in place or go fit happen for hope, for people hope like you now to come back say why election all of us must dey there, we must choose our own
Participate.
leader.
Okay, no be say I no get hope again. Oh.
Yeah.
In fact, if anything, I get more hope now.
Okay.
So before my mindset now, we must dey against the government.
Okay.
Now my mindset now, I need to put things in place so I go fit work with the government. Wetin I go fit do for the government. Where I go fit do with the government. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So now my mindset now be that now wetin I dey try reactivate for my mind.
I like that.
Pretty much.
I owe you one meat pie and one pure water.
You know
thank
they
you very
give
much.
first.
I
You know they
love
give first.
So this is what we're going to do very quickly. Again, we have our brother, our friend in the house. I will refer to him as an American mistakenly born in Nigeria. He's a fine boy. He's single. I don't know what he's telling me to mingle. And say no movement between 6 a.m. and 3 p.m. tomorrow. So what's that your social media handle again?
MC Lively,
On
MC
Instagram.
underscore Lively on Instagram.
So send him a DM. He's a big cook now.
Yes.
And you get light.
Yes.
You have internet.
And I have a chef.
You have
Ah! Please send it now.
You have internet.
Include your
You don't
picture.
need to send a DM, please. He's taking, guys.
Who take and go away?
See me here now.
Guys,
I don't
wetin dey
understand.
worry you?
Person get internet, get chef. He has lights. What are you talking about?
And she
Because-
already gave me this sweater. So
Dude.
like, it's kismet.
Listen, Daddy, let me introduce you to one babe. Let me introduce you to one babe where everybody they talk about. Even Davido talk about him.
Is it Chema?
No, am I mad? This babe is a beauty, and you go hear waiting they talk about
Because
her.
of musician, I want to put me under
Waiting
the
now,
bus.
listen to waiting Davido talk about this girl, whether you go consider or not. P. Brown Jewel, Ice and our brother, our friend Davido there with the song with the title Ogechi. I will still have in the house a wonderful Nigerian, a person of multiple skills and talents, and a guy who is upholding the name of the Oba Awon universities, whether you like it or not. Ejiro, is there any conflagration you want to do?
Well, I want first ask and say, na person don dey the industry for a long time now.
Yeah,
I'm talking
yeah.
about MC Lively.
Yeah.
I
Very lively guy.
I don't want to sound like say I watch him
Grow.
but now the truth be that
Okay.
I see and when I see the way in grow consistently and
But you said they grow too.
Of
now.
course I'm
Me said
growing.
they grow.
Yeah.
Nigeria is just taking time, but it's
whether you
growing.
like him or not, na colleague.
Yeah, colleague we.
Your senior colleague.
Na colleague.
I know be
Yeah.
senior colleague. I beg you.
Maybe we don't go kidnap him.
I beg you.
I beg
So
you.
quickly, I want to ask you. I mean, where you would say you dey now for the industry as a creative, as a comedian,
Skit maker,
yeah,
as a what?
content creator.
Because everything they confuse
Where,
us.
where am
say
I
you
with
did?
my career?
Yeah,
Like,
where
what
you
am I
say you
trying
did,
to?
where
Oh
with your
yeah.
career
So
right
one of the things I'm trying to focus on now is my stand-up.
Comedy.
Yeah.
Oh, you dey do stand up?
Yes, I do. I performed 2 days ago at SLK's comedy.
so
lounge.
SLK, yeah.
Yeah, it was
As they
was
call
really
it, yeah.
good. It was really
I
good.
performed too
Ah,
at police station.
Yeah. so if you want to describe where you dey now for your career, what you would describe am as?
I would say that a stand-up comedian. That's what I'm trying to focus on now. That's my love. That's my
okay,
first
now
love.
you are tilting towards
My first
your
love.
first love.
Yes.
Speak pidgin, which are you tilting.
Yeah, tilting.
They worry this one.
Yeah.
Like
So
that
I
they
did
go-
tea-
I get
towards-
I get strong tutu. I need to defend us once in a while for this
Okay.
show.
Okay.
Strong tutu.
Yeah, very strong. one.
Sharp. I own a
Me-
weak 2-1.
you dey hear am.
Mama-
Person wey get to one say
Wait.
you're weak.
My own are upcoming class, first class. But deep in that as well, ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
please go and follow this our brother on his social media handle because his page is the kind of page you go to, you go away with a smile.
Okay.
Anyhow way it take be. And with that being said, brothers and
What
sisters,
of on the days where he no smile?
you must smile.
He know the smile some days
But
now.
you know it. My next question. Some people, they believe they are funny, and then when you tell them they are not funny, they turn it to fight. Do you believe stand-up comedy is follow come or people learn it?
I think it's a bit of both.
Okay.
I think it's a bit of both. That learning part, if you avoid them, you must learn, and you must learn.
Materially.
You must learn by performing.
Okay.
And that performance sometimes.
When was your worst performance?
Many performance was. You say now when was my worst? When you supposed to ask when we are
Where were we?
where we are your worst performances. A lot of them. But yeah, the
But
more
did
you
it
do
deter you?
No. Almost though. Very early in the career.
Wow.
I almost gave up because I was already studying law. I good for the law, and I'm like, okay, which I define really make I just focus on my law now. But then one of my guys, MC this, I'll never forget. He convinced me. He said, "What? Do your own show first. Do your own show. Me, you first, Sam." And that was the turning point.
Wow.
2015.
Good. So make I quickly ask you. I mean, if you get that opportunity right now to,
Help me.
do something impactful.
Yes.
Inside
Like helping me.
our society.
Like
What will be that
helping me.
one thing where you go?
I think that our mindset. So I came out.
Wow.
I like to say I came out last year as an atheist, not atheist like that.
Like you say,
that.
well, God they safe.
But I think that there's a lot of things that we believe in Nigeria that is based on old beliefs, and we are not willing to enter into the new world.
Because people resist change.
Yes. I think that we need to be open to change.
Quickly, so why are you not married?
He has been waiting for me now. What do you mean?
That's
Only why you not
that's a very
married?
direct
If
question.
he's waiting
Very
for you,
straight to the point.
I was a second born.
How they affect you not being married?
Who
You know,
told you
second
you
born
was?
useless. There's no
He said, "This guy I work for you. We
Second
second
born.
second born."
useless. There's no pressure. You know, saying that first born they give
now
all
you
the
get pressure. If you dey hear, one more give am pressure. That first body they
First
talk
born
to.
pressure. That's so my brother come by last few years ago.
Oh,
I
very
can't
sorry.
become first born.
Yeah,
Sorry
I
about
saw
that.
when you put it up.
They install it on you.
So now
Now you see the
pressure.
I can see the healing now. The rain has stopped.
But don't
So
worry, don't
with
worry.
all
No
the
need to pressure.
with all the
again.
pressure, why you never marry?
Just they look up to God.
Exactly. He will send the one.
Have you seen the dating scene in Nigeria now? I don't think we have love anymore. We have business relationships. So I'm waiting for the business relationship that will favor me.
Oh, okay.
This guy, I can imagine.
What would you say about
I
your
can imagine.
industry? Is it an accommodating industry? Like, do people accommodate? Do they give?
Or is that bad belly?
Now if you want me to accommodate you, you go break the door.
Wow.
Nobody dey open door for you, sha. You must break
Come
door.
on, by yourself, yeah.
You must break door. Any industry, not be even only say our industry. Any industry,
Okay.
even carpentry industry. You
So
must break
people they
door.
talk about
Wow.
enmity for the industry.
This guy
Who
just
you
dey
go
blow.
trust na- who
They
you go-
blow
who
him
you
go
go
to
say-
the
who you go
enemy
s-
pity.
Who you go say now? Oh, but leave me alone, man. Talk down. What's kind of
But
problem
when you
with
call
this
they
one?
speak English, now you can't see them to live. They call they speak English. They
We
speak
don't
English
like
before.
No, but once in a while they
But
give
you
us
dey
a master.
speak
When
English
they
before.
play now?
What you gonna say?
Enemy pity. He be like.
Now millipede. Now millipede.
Because I know I
Ele
understand.
me if you
Efiewe. I beg quickly, I beg. Like, don't mind the distraction. But I ask you again. I don't make me not forget my line of thought. No. But then I
You
ask
say
you,
enemy limit.
I say they say any meeting. And one of the them say they real
For the
inside
industry.
this industry
Yeah,
with them.
yeah. Sadly enough.
And the people they try to cool down. Somebody try to manage them. Somebody bust out. Tell you say this one are my enemy. This one are my enemy. For this industry, you get enemy.
I no get.
You get
For anywhere, I don't get enemy.
You get friend.
I get friends, lots of friends.
So why you no get enemy?
Because I know they like use my brain. They think say I get anything like enemy. I don't believe in devil. I don't believe.
Okay.
I
Just
know they
dey live
allow
your
me
life.
Negative things enter my vortex. I don't
It's
need-
Wow.
show for your head. It's show for the shape of
Yes,
You see?
no, it's true.
Wait, no verse.
So does that mean say you assume everybody?
Hey, Queen sing. You hear what he say? Vortex.
Yeah.
You wetin be vortex? You know
What
say
do
na
you-
Now what for you?
you know say na
Uh-uh.
again name.
Now what for you?
You know say na again
Apart
name.
from that, even hotel name.
Hotel name.
Yes.
I tell us now,
For
tell
Enugu.
name, person husband.
Now,
He said for Enugu. Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm surrounded by principalities.
I'm
and
telling
power.
you. So if you were to talk to you 15 years
The
ago,
younger version of yourself.
what would you tell yourself 15 years ago?
I was just easy, brother. Just easy.
Take it easy.
Easy.
Life no hard.
Take it easy and enjoy the moment. You know,
Wow.
say they rush to grow up.
We can't reach hold up. We
You
can't
go
dey-
reach there, can't they wonder, say why?
so quick.
Why? What's going
So
on?
for us that are jobless now, like people like us that don't have jobs.
Me, I'm self-employed. I don't have
Okay,
job.
yeah. Like what would you say to an average Nigerian now who's jobless and on the verge of giving up?
Giving up. Why would you give up? I think that in the world, we're in the most advanced and most it's the easiest time to make money.
Okay.
There's a lot of ways to make money.
Easy for you, no me say easy for another person.
No, there's a lot of ways to make money. You don't need a job. How many people they find job these days? People know they find job again now. There are various ways that you can be creative.
Make money.
Use AI to make money. There's various ways you can. If you apply yourself, everybody gets mobile phone where then they use.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Download ChatGPT. Maybe you find what you do with your life.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, I beg, take note of this. Not be until you go carry file, carry CV before you go earn a living.
That's how now.
Ladies and gentlemen, some of the richest men in the world no go school. No forget to. It say
But so they try to tell me they no go. Do not say some of the men go and no go school. So people just want to go to school and do 9 to 5.
You be typewriter.
Because I don't understand the way they function today.
Just like you talk, one of the things they affect us our mindset. Firstly, school not be for you to just go school, go because
no, but not some people want to do 9 to 5. Not everybody want to be an entrepreneur.
School for you to educate yourself, for you to know yourself, understand yourself, understand your environment. Now, why education?
So I go do medicine to know myself.
No be about
I go do medicine to know myself.
You choose your
so
profession.
You don't be like, I will do medicine now. Not
Wait.
professional course. So your course say make do entrepreneurship.
Wait, let me break it down for you.
Okay, babe.
You see, no, they call me babe. Waiting, they worry you. Let me tell you, it is like you see this the way you talk,
Okay.
It's like marriage. Everybody get reason why did they marry. Some marry for name, some marry for because they done the old, some marry because of their religion. So when you go to school, now you know what you go do there. Some people enter school and they go and join cult. Some people enter school and from there they become a better person. Some people enter school and they become layabouts. So whatever you want to go and do in school, it is not a must that you must go to school. There's difference between knowledge and intelligence.
Okay.
Me now, I have 2 in 1.
Artificial intelligence. Which one?
ChatGPT. Bros, no verse, Jare. Before we let you go, because now flying visit you do. You just say make you come greet us because we thank God for you and you say we thank God for us. If to say we plan and where, I don't they talk for pound yam for you, kill goat, can't give you anything and yeah. But cool down. But before we let you go, like I've always said, I'll keep on
Just
saying.
give me the meat pie. I'm okay. Forget about the pounded yam.
If you see that meat pie, I go marry you next week. If you see that meat pie.
So before we let you go, again, your social media handle, I beg.
My name is MC Lively. My social media is MC_Lively on Instagram, MC_Lively on Twitter, MC Lively on TikTok, and MC Lively on YouTube.
Do you collaborate with other people?
Oh yes, absolutely.
Can you collaborate with this guy?
If they do delivery.
If they do delivery.
Delivery work.
Yeah.
It's okay.
So you go help us to help him to help us because if it better for him, it better for me. If it better for me, I go say. So Ejiro, what are you saying? Are you game?
MC Lively, that's what I did game.
He said, may you follow on later.
Now game that made me push and come here.
So you people, ladies and gentlemen, watch out for a collaboration between Ajaro and MC Lively.
I don't like this way they do. So me call.
You now you go day for back.
We
They
go do
shout now.
threesome.
Involve you.
So we don't involve
Baby.
baby boomers.
So threesome means when 3 people gather they worship, then at 3.
I don't follow on the worship, but we not do threesome when you want to best your husband, so you go be here now.
Please, I'm a child of the living God.
Me in where I'm from.
No calamity.
She been a dead god, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, still your award-winning Wetin Dey 89.9 Yanga FM 9 we dey, and right now we have to let MC Lively go. Don't forget, for better things that will put a smile on your face, go and follow him. Check out his page. You go see, say, no matter your condition, you will see something that will uplift you.
Laughter is the best medicine.
It's the cheapest medicine. It is so.
Before you come out, what will be your message when you want to tell people where they listen this morning?
You're not living if you're not laughing.
Ooh.
Hey, I go do t-shirt.
You're
I
not
swear to
listening.
God,
Nice.
if you're not laughing,
Wow.
I can't do red. I go do
Words
crown.
on marble.
This
by,
is on
by my incoming husband, please.
nonsense, boy.
But you know say you go fit me if you like.
How many people you want marry?
You know, mind your business. So where you?
If you're not careful,
The next delivery they will cripple you.
I like to share.
you like to share. You go still table.
I don't like to
Ladies
share.
and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's go for this quick break. When we come back, a big thank you to MC Lively. God bless him. God bless his hustle. Follow him. He's the kind of guy your mama told you to bring home.
Okay.
Without things being equal. They tell you may go watch meeting it.
My mama told me.
So
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.